Have a nice day, viewers. My channel Explorer Vishwas. Just you are watching the picture of PIHOT GPS drone P-60. Regarding this drone, I have already narrated. Today, I am giving some features through which you can acquire some knowledge. The upper portion is the drone with the propeller and the switch, opening switch through which it will be started, and the lower portion is remote control with detailed modifications and notations. In the next screen, you will watch, it will be divided into two portions, the left portion and the right portion of the RC. Now it is the left side of the RC. All points are categorically mentioned here, through which you can understand very easily. At the top, you will see the switch of speed of the three stages of speed switch. Then one click with the takeoff or landing. Then the toggle switch through which you can um, allow your drone on the top directions and the downward directions, and one click for the return, the lower portions. And this is the right side of the remote control. The details are given below. At the top, you will be watching the antenna, and then all the portions are shown categorically. You are watching the GPS mode. That it is the beauty of this drone. It is a GPS drone, and you will, when it will be connected with your mobile, you will watch the how much height it has covered, and whether it has been connected with the satellite or not. Everything you can watch and follow, and according to that, you can fly in the open air outside your house. I would advise you not to play or fly your this drone inside the room, because it will not be connected with the GPS. And this is the details and literature. 120 minutes, that is the charging time, categorically I am mentioning, and the flying time is the 20 minutes. At the time of purchase, what I have seen, only one battery was provided. And if you follow all the rules and regulations regarding the labeling of your drone, the drone will be activated in the proper way. The detailed information you will watch through this statement. Another sheet is there. It is outing at this moment. The next page is, and if you go through all these instructions properly, then there will be no problem at the time of flying your drone. Most of the time, we are not interested to go through the literature of the drone. And whenever we are receiving the drone, and after unpackaging, we will try to fly it. And then problem starts. I would advise, when you will purchase, because it is your hard-earned money, when you are going to purchase some drone, whatever the amount is, its cost is 3,500. Whatever the amount is, you go through the rules and regulations. Here you are watching the battery status and the camera status. Here two cameras are the front camera and the bottom camera, and the details, and it is in JPG mode when you will take the still photography, and when you will take the video, it will be MP4. And the battery is 2000 mAh. The voltage is 3.7 volt, and its weight is almost 36 plus gram. And the charging time, the most important thing, is 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. I think this information is quite sufficient, but before flying your drone, you should take care regarding the literature. You please go through the literature and then you start your drone. Then another question is coming. Before flying, you have to do two things. You have to place the drone at the normal and the flat surface, and second thing, you have to leveling your drone through your remote control and mobile and your flying instrument, that is your drone. There should be some combination between the drone and your remote control. Until and unless it will not be perfect, the drone will not fly properly. So you should take care. I think you will go through this literature properly and enjoy when you will purchase your drone. Thank you. And at the end of the day, I can say it can be purchased. This drone, PIHOT P-60 drone. It is having brushless motor. It is having obstacle avoidance switch.